Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Exterior design of a modern triangular wooden house with a tropical front yard. Overall aesthetic: a striking and unconventional blend of geometric form and natural materials, creating a contemporary tropical retreat. Exterior materials: wood, the primary material for the house's exterior, showcasing its natural warmth and texture. Opt for weather-resistant wood species like cedar or teak. Roof: a flat or gently sloping roof covered with a modern material like metal or synthetic thatch for a tropical vibe. Accents: incorporate natural elements like stone or bamboo for contrast and texture. Architectural features: triangular shape. The distinctive triangular form of the house creates a dynamic and visually interesting silhouette. Large windows, expansive glass walls on the pointed end of the triangle to maximize natural light and views of the tropical garden. Overhangs, deep eaves or covered terraces to provide shade and protection from the elements. Decking, a wooden deck that follows the triangular shape of the house, creating outdoor living space. Landscaping: tropical garden, lush vegetation featuring palm trees, ferns, and other tropical plants. Asymmetrical layout: the garden should complement the house's triangular shape with asymmetrical planting arrangements. Water features: a small pond or fountain can add a touch of tranquility to the space. Outdoor seating: incorporate comfortable seating areas to encourage relaxation and enjoyment of the tropical environment. Key design elements: sustainability: consider eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient design for a sustainable home. Privacy: utilize strategic planting and fencing to create private outdoor spaces. Ventilation: optimize airflow through cross-ventilation and open-air living spaces. Overall impression: a bold and innovative design that harmonizes with the tropical environment, offering a unique and unforgettable living experience. Interior design of a modern triangular wooden house. The interior of a triangular wooden house presents a unique opportunity for creative and functional space planning. The challenge of the unconventional shape can be transformed into a design feature that maximizes the home's potential. Overall aesthetic: a harmonious blend of organic and geometric elements, creating a dynamic and inviting atmosphere that complements the exterior's triangular form. Color palette: earthy tones, browns, greens, and beige form the base palette, reflecting the natural surroundings. Accents of blue or turquoise to evoke the tropical atmosphere. White, used as a neutral base to brighten the space. Materials: wood, the dominant material, showcasing its natural beauty and warmth. Stone or concrete, used for flooring and countertops, adding a grounding element. Textiles: natural fibers like linen, cotton, and jute for a relaxed feel. Furniture: custom designed pieces to optimize the use of the triangular spaces. Multifunctional furniture to maximize space efficiency, such as sofa beds or storage ottomans. Clean lines: modern furniture with simple shapes to complement the home's geometry. Decor: indoor plants, bring the outdoors in with lush tropical plants. Artwork: abstract pieces or nature-inspired art to complement the triangular theme. Textiles: colorful throw pillows and rugs with tropical patterns. Accessories: natural materials like seashells, driftwood, or woven baskets. Key spaces: living area, located at the widest point of the triangle, This space can be open plan or divided into distinct zones. Large windows should maximize natural light and views of the tropical garden. Kitchen. A compact and efficient layout is essential. Consider a galley kitchen or a triangular kitchen island to optimize space. Bedrooms. The triangular shape can create unique and interesting sleeping areas. Built-in storage and custom-designed furniture can maximize space. Bathroom. A spa-like retreat with natural materials and ample natural light. Consider a triangular shower enclosure for a unique design element. Overall atmosphere. The interior should be a seamless extension of the exterior, creating a sense of harmony and balance. The triangular shape should be embraced as a design feature rather than a constraint. Reasons to design a triangular modern wooden house with a tropical garden. A triangular modern wooden house with a tropical garden offers a unique blend of form, function, and sustainability. Here's why this design concept is compelling. Architectural innovation. Distinctive aesthetic. The triangular shape creates a striking and memorable visual impact. Spatial efficiency. The unconventional geometry can lead to innovative space-saving solutions. Design challenge. The triangular form encourages creative problem-solving and unique interior layouts. Sustainability. Eco-friendly materials. Wood is a renewable resource, aligning with sustainable building practices. Compact footprint. A smaller house generally requires fewer resources to build and maintain. Harmony with nature. The tropical garden complements the sustainable ethos of the wooden house. Lifestyle benefits. Modern living. The triangular shape can be incorporated into a modern minimalist aesthetic. Indoor-outdoor living. Large windows and open-plan design can seamlessly connect. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.